Hey people, so we are at this place called Donne Biryani, and there also. And this is for 250 bucks we get this biryani. That seems really good. And this is the first time I'm seeing this is in some kind of tokri, and it is correct. You can put this there on that table, yeah. So this is a very different kind of. Ayush, how does it taste? It's looking very different, na? Yeah, that's it. I'll bus. Yeah, this one there. Okay, we'll try and finish it. Okay, this is the first time I'm seeing this. This is eco-friendly, I think. And if you were to take a look, this one is there. Come, we'll put some of this. Okay, so hot, right? It's interesting. Ayush, how would you rate it? Yeah, it's interesting.